In this video, I'll show you how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom. This video is only for educational purposes only. Ensure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. At first, what you need to do, go to your Phantom wallet. If you tap on this receive, the different wallet address is going to come out. Solana is the first option. Copy your wallet address. Go to your Binance. Tap on send. Tap on chain withdrawal. You need to select the coin you want to withdraw. So I'm going to come on and I'm going to type in Sol. So this is Solana. I'm going to select it. I'm going to tap on ignore. So that wallet I've copied from your Phantom wallet, come on here and paste it. Paste the address. Select the network. It should be Solana. Enter the max amount you want. Once you're done, click on the withdraw. You're going to do a verification and you're going to be able to withdraw Solana from your Binance to Phantom. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you like, share, and subscribe.